There is a phase in trading that almost nobody talks about. Not because it's rare, not because it's unusual, but because the people who reach it usually disappear. They don't announce it, they don't explain it, they don't warn others. They simply stop showing up. If you're in this phase, you don't feel like a beginner anymore. You're past the excitement, past the curiosity, past the illusion that this is easy. You understand price action. You understand why structure matters. You understand why risk management is not optional. You've lost enough money to finally respect the market. You no longer chase every move. You no longer enter trades just to feel involved. You've slowed down, and yet you're still not profitable. That gap, the space between knowing what to do and actually earning from it, is where most traders quit, quietly. No explosion, no catastrophic loss, no dramatic failure. Just a slow, gradual loss of belief. At the beginning, trading felt exciting. Every new concept felt like progress. Every chart felt full of possibility. Every trade felt important. Even losses felt meaningful. They felt like tuition. You believed that if you stayed consistent, if you kept learning, things would eventually click. But now, that feeling is gone. Trading feels heavier. You're more patient now, more disciplined, more selective. You wait longer for setups, you manage risk properly, you follow rules more closely than you ever did before. And still, the results don't improve the way you expected. This phase feels worse than being a beginner, because beginners have hope. They don't know what they don't know. You do. You know how hard this really is. You know how long consistency takes. You know how unforgiving the market can be, even when you do things right. And slowly, a dangerous question appears. Is this effort actually worth it? This is the phase where progress becomes invisible. Your mistakes are smaller now, but they hurt more because you're aware of them. You see them forming, you see them cost you, and you know you should have done better. Your wins are cleaner, more controlled, more professional. But they don't change your life. They don't bring relief. They don't bring confidence. They just pass. You're no longer failing loudly. You're failing quietly. And that silence is dangerous, because when nothing dramatic is happening, your mind fills the space. Early on, doubt was about the strategy. Now, doubt is about you. Maybe I'm not wired for this. Maybe I don't have the temperament. Maybe I understand the concepts but can't live them. Maybe I'm forcing something that isn't meant for me. Most traders don't quit because they fail. They quit because they stop improving fast enough to stay emotionally invested. The learning curve flattens, the effort stays high, the feedback disappears, and without feedback, belief starts to fade. You start showing up less focused, less present, less convinced. Here's the truth. This phase is not a sign that you're failing. It's a sign that your old identity no longer fits. You're no longer the beginner who needs excitement to stay motivated, but you're not yet the professional who trusts the process without emotion. You're in between, and that in-between space feels uncomfortable. It feels empty, it feels uncertain, it feels lonely. In this phase, results don't motivate you anymore. Only clarity does, only structure, only repetition. This is where professionals separate themselves from everyone else. They don't trade for excitement. They trade for alignment. They accept boredom as a signal of control. They accept slow days. They accept average weeks. They accept small, repeatable execution. They stop needing every trade to feel meaningful. They stop measuring progress by emotion, because they understand something most beginners never reach. Your edge doesn't come from trying harder. It doesn't come from watching more videos. It doesn't come from adding more rules. It comes from staying longer than your emotions want you to. Right now, the market isn't testing your strategy. It's testing your identity. It's asking who you are when nothing exciting is happening, who you are when progress is slow, when results are average, when confidence is quiet. If you're here right now, feeling tired, questioning everything, and wondering if this is worth it, you're not behind. You're standing at the exact point where trading stops being about hope and starts being about acceptance. Acceptance that growth is slow. Acceptance that mastery feels dull. Acceptance that confidence is built without recognition. Don't quit because the growth is quiet. Don't mistake silence for failure. Stay. Because when this phase ends, you won't feel like you made it. You won't feel euphoric. You won't feel unstoppable. You'll just feel steady, calm, grounded, clear. And that calm steadiness, that's what the 1% feel, because they didn't quit when the market went silent.